Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Jesoni Vitusagavulu, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary Designate of the Republic of Fiji to the State of Israel for this morning's commissioning ceremony. The State of Israel has conveyed their agreement to the Government of the Republic of Fiji's proposal to appoint Jesoni Vitusagavulu as Fiji's next representative. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and External Trade, through this agreement, has fulfilled all the prerequisites through orientation within the government agencies to ensure that all Fiji's interests are covered whilst your servant, Jesoni Vitusagavulu, is in post. Excellency, Jesoni Vitusagavulu, whom you have faithfully dispensed, is now ready to duly execute his calling to be Fiji's ambassador to the State of Israel. Thank you, Your Excellency.
I, Jesoni Vitusagavulu, do swear that I will faithfully and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Jesoni Vitusagavulu, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the ambassador with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, and not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.